Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back again. This is your African boy, myself Gabs Gabi, and today we are going to check India versus Pakistan military power comparison 2023, guys. I am reacting from Defense International, the channel. So wow, it's gonna be something amazing for me as African. Like, I'm also so curious to know about the military, the power, and more about the country, like not only India but Pakistan also, like, because myself I know a lot about India greatest achievement, but Pakistan is not that like so much in the media, and I'm not getting much of Pakistan news. Whatever news I will get about Pakistan, most of the time is not that positive. But yeah, let's check it. This video will be for knowledge and information purpose, guys. So let's see together the military power between this country. And don't forget, if it is your first time here, check more for reaction video, and if you want to watch my vlogs, you can check Gabs Gabi TV to watch my vlogs. Let's go, let's check it, guys. So starting with global rank, India is rank 4 and Pakistan 7. Okay, that's not bad. Pakistan is still top 10. Capital New Delhi, Islamabad. GDP 3.6. Oh, India is so big. It's having big GDP per capita. Okay. Wow, EP. Defense budget. Wow. Population. Okay. Square land. Prime Minister and Shehbaz Sharif. Okay, today I knew now the Pakistan President Sharif. India Army and Pakistan Army. And FV. Armored cars. Oh, this one, Pakistan having more. It's kind of similar, almost similar, guys. Almost similar. Transportation in India is so much. Lot. What is that awak? Pakistan is having awak. Strategic Goomba, but they don't have that strategic Goomba, guys. None. Aircraft. Pakistan doesn't have the carrier for the aircraft. Submarine. There is one submarine, Indian submarine in Vizag. I saw that, guys. Destroyers. Nuclear weapon. Pakistan is having enough more than India nuclear weapon. Wow, strategic nuclear weapon also. They don't have that rocket. ICBM. SLBM. Port and terminal. 13 ports. We can only 2 ports. Labor forces. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay, that was amazing. What I can say, like from the beginning, you will understand. You will easily know the greatest country between this. Like I'm going to give my review according to the power reviewed in this video. Like honestly, if you're watching this video, India is great. We all know that India is great and strong. And yeah, I don't mean that Pakistan is weak, but compare it according to the comparison, is India is far greater than Pakistan, guys. Global rank is 4th. And yeah, and also I'm seeing a lot of update and achievement also happening in India. Like so far they achieved something like they call it Chandrayaan 3, guys, and Aditya L1. Like every month, every year, you will see new biggest achievement India is making whenever it comes to sport, to the power, to the military, to the country, even the citizen themselves. Everyone is like aiming to improve, guys. Like I'm just speaking in behalf of as African, my point of view on India. I will speak later about Pakistan. So what I'm seeing that like Indian, they are really developing, guys. Though people will say India is not a developed country, but believe me, guys, this country, give it just few years, this country is gonna be like people, other foreign country will definitely fear India. They will fear, like India is only focusing on itself. India is building itself, and I believe that other country, they are watching how India is improving, and this is making them to become more friendly and to join India together, not because they want to support India, but yeah, they can support India, but they know they are thinking of the future purpose, guys. What I can say, like politically, they know India, like after few years, it's gonna be something else. So you better be India friend, man. Yeah, don't be India enemy. It won't work out, guys. So when it comes to Pakistan, guys, what I heard only about Pakistan, there is one news I read about Pakistan. Pakistan army is very strong also, you have to know that, but there is another things I don't like about the country, that the country Pakistan is putting much focus only on the military. Yeah, it's very important to make your military and the power is strong, no doubt about that, to avoid any rebellion or rebel stuff, but the people are suffering, guys. Like the economic crisis in Pakistan, like 6 months back, guys, I saw some news. Yeah, I know my country also is suffering, but I'm speaking about the comparison between, I'm from South Sudan in Africa, guys. I'm from Africa. Yes, I also have same issue which is happening in Pakistan. So I don't really understand, like my issue as is different. It's different. I will not put it in this video, but we will speak only about Pakistan and India. And what I'm saying that Pakistan army is strong, it's great, guys, but not greater than Indian army, but it's great. At the end, it's great. At the base, according to the country itself, is very good, very strong, because Pakistan, they are putting much of investment, much of money, and they are supporting their army. Like everything, army come first in Pakistan. They don't care that much about the citizen. Like this is what happening. You can see people are running for countries facing, the citizens are facing economic crisis, the hunger, and other religions also problem. I can see, like the army is great, then why is it that the country is shaking, guys? This is what I don't like. I know it will happen in any other country. I don't mean India is not shaking. India is shaking somewhere in the border. You all know that, guys. Even my country is shaking somewhere there. But according to my review, this is what I can say. And Pakistan is still great, guys. But there is one thing I also don't like about Pakistan. Like most of the foreigners, guys, like Africans or other foreigners, they are fearing. They have the fear to visit Pakistan. I don't know why. Even sometime I was speaking with my friends about visiting Pakistan, but the encouragement was down, not like visiting India. Like you see, every day new foreigners are visiting India, guys, from different world, Africa, Asia, Europe. They are coming to India, but Pakistan, there is little doubt there. I don't understand. I don't like speaking about politics, guys. But however, according to the video, India is great and Pakistan is also great, but not greater than India. And I am not supporting India. I am not supporting Pakistan. I am just speaking according to the point of the view, and I am wishing all the best for the both India and Pakistan for the future development, improvement, and all the best. And yeah, love from Africa, guys. Kindly drop your opinion. Let me see what do you think about this video. And in case I speak something wrong, so sorry, guys. Yeah, no one is perfect. Don't forget, if you want to watch my vlog, check Gabs Gabi TV. Love you all. Tata.